Good evening. Reggae Girls Under-20 head coach Lorne Donaldson says Jamaica's women may never reach a World Cup without proper competition locally. Now, Jamaica finished the recent CONCACAF Women's Championship with just 1 point from their group, thus failing to qualify for the Under-20 World Cup in August. According to Donaldson, there is no way you can ask a team to compete in international competition if the players don't play in a league, whether it's an Under-12, Under-15, Under-17 or Under-20 league. He has called on the Jamaica Football Federation to come up with a plan, travel to more developed countries, and observe best practices as to how they can go about developing a program. Donaldson has also bashed the JFF for the shoddy traveling arrangements they had put in place for the young Reggae Girls, which resulted in the team arriving in Trinidad and Tobago a mere 1 day before the start of the tournament, while he said other teams got there a week in advance. Donaldson said a lot, and we need to carefully examine some of what he has said. For example, let's look at the comment about taking players into a tournament when there are no leagues in Jamaica. The fact of the matter is, while there may not have been a Women's Premier League in Jamaica last year, the majority of the team which went to the CONCACAF Championship are based in the United States, including some who came from the academy which Donaldson operates. In fact, the squad of 20 members had only 4 players based in Jamaica. So, was it a case of Donaldson blaming the local system to cover up for his failure or shortcomings at the CONCACAF Championship? I agree, though, that the JFF needs to act, and act fast, as far as improving the women's game in Jamaica is concerned. The Women's Premier League certainly needs to be resumed, and also the High School Girls League, which usually starts somewhere in early February and goes for about 2.5 months, may need to be conducted over a longer period to give the girls more playing time and more exposure. FIFA President Gianni Infantino, who visited Jamaica recently, revealed that among the prerequisites for member associations to receive funding from the world governing body is the establishment of properly run leagues, including those for women. So it's now over to the JFF, who certainly have the ball in their half of the park. I'm Spencer Darlington. Good evening.